Introducing the Apple Classroom Whiteboard, the easiest digital formative assessment tool that you'll use this year. It is an interactive keynote that contains tools for students to answer multiple choice questions, true and false questions, and even utilize a whiteboard. However, the real power comes when you couple it with Apple's amazing app, Classroom. Let's look at how it works. On your iPads, open up Safari and go to bit.ly/Apple Classroom Board. After the website loads, select Download in the upper right-hand corner. Make sure to select Keynote as the format, and then again select Download. It should have created your own copy in Keynote. Now let's talk about how you can get it to the students. Open up the Schoolwork app and create a new handout. Because we're going to use this all year, turn off Due Date, then tap File and find the whiteboard that you downloaded. Then make sure to select that only you can make the changes. This will essentially create a view-only copy for students. After the students have received it in Schoolwork, they can open it up in Keynote. Now they have the ability to answer multiple choice questions, true and false questions, and even whiteboard with 3 options: plain, graph, or line paper, using Keynote's built-in annotation tool. Again, when coupled with Classroom, you will now be able to see students' responses to multiple choice questions and true and false live right in front of your eyes without them having to hold up their iPads. It also works great for math, as you can see students solving problems live. And the best part? You and your students don't need to download any extra apps. It's already built into the iPad. It will require 0 of your planning and prep time. And finally, the design is meant to be efficient and simple, so you don't have to spend class time going over how to use this with your students.